9 ways to make large sum of money on Amazon in any country. Amazon, it's one of the biggest e-commerce websites today. A behemoth in almost every marketplace you'll consider, from books to clothing to gadgets. But the platform offers much more than simply diversity in its range of products. It also offers many various ways to make money, some of which you may not even be conversant in. In this video, we'll explore 9 different ways to make a profit on Amazon. But if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe for more quality videos like this. Remember to turn on the notification button. Thank you. Note, many of those methods are already working for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. It just requires consistency and a touch work to ascertain your first couple of bucks. Once you get a hold of what's working and what isn't, it gets easier to make money on Amazon. Now here are the 9 ways to make money on Amazon. 1. Sell a professional service on Amazon. Did you know that Amazon also lets skilled individuals sell their services online? Whether you're a guitar teacher, a math tutor, or a carpenter, Amazon services can put you in touch with people that require your help. The program charges no monthly subscription, advertising, or startup fees. However, you need to possess general liability insurance with a $1 million US cap per occurrence. This information must be provided once you register for Amazon services. Another important thing is that service providers got to pay a revenue share to Amazon. This relies on the nature of the service and therefore the final service price. In a nutshell, this is often one among the simplest ways to make money on Amazon. As long as you're ready to pass a business background check as a part of the appliance. 2. Try merch by Amazon. If you're good at design, you'll be ready to generate a decent income by selling t-shirts and other similar things through merch by Amazon. The platform allows you to sell your artwork as Amazon products at no cost to you. Here's the way to use it. 1. Create an account via the Merch by Amazon web page. 2. Upload your design and set a price. 3. Select color and write a description. Once you've done all of that, your shirt will go live on the Amazon marketplace. A good thing about using Merch by Amazon is that Amazon takes the responsibility of packaging, shipping, printing, and providing support to the customer. As for the income, the company will pay you a royalty on every design sold. The payout will depend upon the product's cost and tax, also as Amazon's expense for the services they supply. 3. Become an affiliate. A simple way to make money on Amazon is to become an affiliate. If you run a blog, website, or even moderate a community, you already have an audience. By recommending interesting and high-quality products found on Amazon to your audience, you'll earn a referral fee for your efforts. Depending on the item, you'll get anywhere from 4 to 30% of the product's price when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Amazon allows you to become an affiliate for just about anything. Once you get approved, you'll select from millions of items to refer to your customers, readers, and audience. 4. Earn through KDP Kindle Direct Publishing. Another easy way to make money on Amazon is to publish your own digital books on the platform. You can make up to 70% royalties on the general sales. Also, you can print hard copies of your books through Amazon's Create Space service. The only barrier to making money with Amazon KDP is that you simply need to publish interesting books in a large volume. Although it's possible to earn with a few of bestsellers, the quantity is the key to success within the publishing game. The best way to promote a self-published book is to offer out free copies. Additionally, you may run some Facebook ads to get exposure to the title. Leaving a link to your book's Amazon page at the end of your email may also be a sensible to push or promote your work to others. 5. Complete tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk program works as a gateway for outsourced tasks. Once you become a part of Turk's army of remote workers, you'll be able to complete tasks like content validation, content moderation, and survey participation to make money on Amazon. Essentially, Mechanical Turk was the byproduct of Amazon's efforts to chop down time-consuming tasks into smaller gigs. Although the program doesn't pay much for completed tasks, most of them will be done quickly. Also, it gives you the flexibility to figure at your own pace. As an example, you'll get 5 cents for completing a survey, but if you complete 5 surveys within a minute, you'll get $15 an hour. It's worth mentioning here that Mechanical Turk works best for US citizens, as Amazon credits payments directly into their accounts. For workers outside the US, payments arrive within the shape of Amazon gift card credits. 6. Sell via Amazon FBA. If you would like to make money on Amazon without having to worry about customer support, packing, and shipping, then you sign up for Amazon FBA. With FBA, you'll have Amazon take care of your stock and deliver it to your customers. All you've got to try and do is send your items to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers. The advantage of FBA is that customers can't tell the difference between shopping directly from Amazon and buying from an FBA seller. As an FBA seller, you're only charged a per-unit fee, which depends on the weight and size of your item. There's no fee for packaging, shipping, or handling to ship your items. 7. Buy offline, sell on Amazon, retail arbitrage. This method involves visiting retail stores like Target and Walmart to shop for products at a reduced price, then reselling those products on Amazon for a profit. Many people who make money on Amazon through retail arbitrage avoid the cost of importing products from a foreign country. You'll see them heading directly into stores and loading up on products they intend to mark up and sell. As a result, many of them spend a lot of your time sifting through deals and clearance items at their local stores. 8. Sign up for Amazon Handmade. Just like Etsy, Amazon Handmade lets artisans sell their own handcrafted goods online, including clothing, accessories, and jewelry. To become an Amazon Handmade seller, you need to complete an application form, which allows you to describe the nature of your work and production process. Handmade is a blessing for professional and aspiring artisans looking to reach Amazon's large customer base. Those approved even get a custom URL to go along with their artisan profile, making it easy for his or her customers to find their shop. Also, Amazon won't charge you anything to join the program and list your products. While you'll ought to create a professional selling account that typically costs $39.99 a month, even that fee is waived for handmade sellers. The only fee you'll need to pay may be a 15% referral fee on your total sales price. 9. Create a private label brand. This is one of the most profitable opportunities on Amazon. As a private label seller, you order a specific item from a manufacturer, put your logo and branding on it, then list it on the Amazon Marketplace. The advantage of selling products under your own brand is that you simply have complete control over your listings. And may even apply for Amazon brand registry to guard yourself from counterfeiters. If you have any experience about making money on Amazon, or would love to add some tips, kindly leave your comment below. If you love this video, kindly share and like. Thank you for watching.